When migrating from Windows 10 to Windows 11, Microsoft users can use OneDrive to back up their Windows 10 system apps and personal files, then restore them on a Windows 11 system. To use OneDrive for your backup, the first thing is to get the PC Health Check app on your Windows 10 device, which will also help determine if your PC can upgrade. Before we get started, for more information about the PC Health Check app and to get the download, click the link shown. Once downloaded, open the Health Check app and expand Backup and Sync. Sign in to your Microsoft account and let the app start backing up your files. Click the Manage button on the OneDrive folder syncing option to arrange specific settings for which folders to include in the backup or in your OneDrive folder location. On your Windows 11 PC, you can restore your OneDrive backup during the out-of-box experience or the first-time boot immediately after doing the upgrade. During your first experience with Windows 11, and with your settings and OneDrive files synced, select the device from which to restore your data, from your synced Windows 10 system, or restore from another device, as long as the backups have been created using OneDrive. Select the appropriate one to use, then click on Next, and follow any on-screen instructions to complete the restoring process. In Windows 11, you can continue to use OneDrive to back up your files. On the Windows 11 system tray, locate the OneDrive Cloud icon and open it. Sign in to the Microsoft account linked to your OneDrive backup. Keep or change the folder location and click Next. Confirm the selected folders automatically included on your backup to be synced to your cloud. You will see how much space you have left in OneDrive after the process, depending on your selections. Click on Continue and follow the on-screen prompts to continue the setup. Once OneDrive is ready, click Open My OneDrive folder to complete the setup, and your files will be ready for cloud syncing. To learn more about OneDrive Personal Cloud Storage, click the link shown. After you've utilized OneDrive, whenever you want to remove files, it's easy to delete them. Click on the OneDrive icon and open the folder. All the file names present in OneDrive will be shown. Select the files you want to remove, and to delete, use the trash can icon or the delete key on your keyboard. Windows 11 will ask you to confirm the action. It's important to note that deleted files are no longer available anywhere, not in OneDrive nor across devices. However, you can restore them within 30 days. When you're ready, click Got It to finish deleting. Anytime you need support or have questions, you can always contact us at Dell Cares on Twitter for further assistance. We have more Windows 11 content and other support topics on this channel, so become a subscriber today. Thanks for watching this Dell Tech Support video production.